Let me tell you what is year of knowledge. We as Muslim women, we need to learn our deen. And there is two ways. Either I'm going to be an expert, I am going to make it as a career, and that's great. But majority of the women, mothers, future mothers, daughters, we cannot do this for many reasons. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a wisdom and hikmah for not having this. So what do we need to do? I still need to learn.
Allah gave me the Year of Knowledge program when I needed Him the most. And it helped me become a better mother to my children, a wife to my husband, and a better Muslim towards this ummah.
And there is subjects that's called fardu ayn. It's an individual obligation on every woman. And that's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed us to do in Jannah Institute, where we designed a program, walillahi alhamd, and we took in consideration the average Muslim woman who really need to learn her deen. But the main thing I want to share with you is from the feedback we got for the last 2 years, walillahi alhamd, is all the students agreed that learning for the sake of Allah changed their life.
If you want to build your premise to Jannah, I think Year of Knowledge is the best starting point. It has been for me and it has really changed me. So I can't recommend it enough. You just have to live it and be there to realize what it is.
Where, number one, Arabic is not a requirement. And the goal is not to graduate scholars, rather to graduate women who knows their deen, practically apply it daily life, and can change herself first, and inshallah, by Allah's grace, can have an influence and impact on the people around her.
I can't express how grateful I am to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to Sheikh Haifaa and to all of the other students that I've been learning alongside with, and the team at Jannah Institute for all of the amazing work that they're doing. You know, when you educate a woman, you educate a nation. That's Jannah Institute's one of their taglines, and it's so true.
If you would describe Year of Knowledge with 3 words, what would those 3 words be?
Life-changing, eye-opening, and it's heart-wrenching, I have to say.
SubhanAllah. Do you feel like it affected you in any way?
Yeah, it's a course that changed me as a person, and it feels like we are getting the knowledge from heart to heart, if that makes sense, from Sheikh's heart to directly to our heart. Like when the classes are, sometimes they're 2 hours, you know, I feel like it feels like it's 10 minutes. I can't believe it's finished. Like I'm just waiting to hear more. And then subhanAllah, and the Sheikh says, oh, the class is over. I feel sad.
I invite everybody, come and visit us if you are in Irvine, and we would love to have you. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from everyone and make it a blessed place that will open the door for everyone to learn about this beautiful religion.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prescribed it upon us to seek knowledge, and not just any knowledge, but beneficial knowledge. And Jannah Institute, I have found, has been the best when it comes to female scholars who knows exactly what we're going through. They have equipped themselves with the skills, with the knowledge they need to be able to teach us in English remotely, literally anywhere around the world. And it would be a very difficult road if we had to do this on our own.
Alhamdulillah, we are going to have our Year of Knowledge, the program that we have been running for 3 years now. We're going to have also on-site. The program basically will be exactly the same, that of the one that we do online, but this one will be on-site. In fact, it will be hybrid. I will be teaching some of these classes on site on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you will have the rest online. And of course, the on-site students will have more opportunity to spend time with me, interact with me, and also enjoy the beautiful Irvine that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us the center. Looking forward for you to join us. May Allah put barakah in our center and accept from us.